Hey everyone, Oscar here with Off-Map Overland. This video needs a little context where it'd be, if you pay attention to our website or any of our other outlets, you'll know that this Off-Map Overland thing is not just me. It actually involves, at this current point, 4 separate families that are all really good friends. And one of those guys has been overlanding his Tacoma for a number of years and actually has a really nice setup. Which is very well built and showcased on our website, but you haven't seen him on the channel before. So I figured to preface his first video for the channel, I would introduce him. So this is Cody. If you want to know any more about him, he's got a full bio up on our website, along with a lot of information about his Tacoma build. And here he is unboxing some stuff from the great folks at Factor 55. So without further ado,
thanks for coming to the channel. This is my first official video that I've actually done for this channel. I'll do a quick introduction of myself and what we got going on today. So, my name is Cody Quattlebaum. You can follow me, Q-Bomb Adventures on Instagram and stuff. We're working on building some content and getting out there and exploring and showing everybody what it's all about, with exploring with your family, dogs, friends, just getting off the map, off the grid, and out of the city, So today I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing video. The guys at Factor 55 sell some awesome gear. I recently bought a couple of pieces of gear for my recovery kit with a little unboxing video and intro. So I'll jump right into it. We'll see what we got in here. So let's see what we got. Packing list. Set that to the side. First thing, Factor 55 standard duty soft shackle. And what I kind of like that they have here, throwing a little sticker in here, and you can see they got the weight ratings and everything on a tag here. I think that's important. I want to trust the recovery gear I'm using, so when I buy recovery gear, I make sure we got that. And also, made in USA, baby. Sweet. Next, picked up a flat splicer. So I got a come up winch, 9.5 RS. It's gonna be synthetic line, so I wanted a good length for it at the end. Picked up the Factor 55 flat splicer. What I like about this is that it hides the rope entirely inside, and it's spliced in. So this looks like a pretty good piece of gear. This is the first end link I've had from Factor 55, so excited to see how that works for me and use it. And then, like I said, I want to protect my rope, so little rope guard to go on the flat splicer link. Yep, so that's what we got. I will unbox this link here because I did get a limited edition color that I really wanted, because my build, as y'all see, has orange incorporated, so I thought it'd be nice to get a flat splicer that would match the Tacoma. So there it is. Man, that's sweet. Yeah. So the winch line goes in here, splice it in. This is obviously the front here. So the rope guard will go on here, and it'll be completely protected from UV damage, rocks off the highway, things like that. Pretty cool. Flat splicer, Factor 55. Alright, so that was just a quick little unboxing video. I'll have a review coming on these products as soon as I get them installed and start using them. My bumper won't be here for a couple more weeks. I'm getting one from Descent Off-Road, so a little bit of a lead time, but it's worth it for the quality that we're getting. As soon as I get all this Factor 55 stuff put on, I'll be sure to do an install vid on the flat splicer and the rope guard, and a little bit of a review on the products once I get to use them. Alright, thanks for joining. Come back again.